Do you know the benefits of adding mint to your diet? Let's dive right into the refreshing world of mint, an herb that's more than just a garnish on your plate or a flavor in your toothpaste. Mint offers a myriad of benefits that can transform your well-being. From its refreshing taste to its potent health-promoting properties, mint is a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Stay tuned to find out the top 10 reasons why you should add mint to your diet. Starting with number 10, mint helps improve digestion. This refreshing herb stimulates digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. So next time you're feeling a bit bloated, why not reach for a soothing mint tea? Moving on to number 9, mint could be your secret weapon in the battle of the bulge. It's believed to suppress appetite and reduce cravings, potentially aiding weight loss. In other words, mint might just be your new best friend on your health journey. At number 8, we have mint's ability to relieve nausea. Its strong, fresh aroma is incredibly soothing and can help reduce feelings of sickness. So if you're feeling a little queasy, a sniff of this potent plant might just do the trick. Coming in at number 7, mint can help improve your brain function. Studies have found that the aroma of mint can enhance memory and increase alertness. So if you're in need of a mental pick-me-up, mint could be just what you need. At number 6, mint's menthol content induces a cooling sensation that relaxes muscles and alleviates stress, promoting calmness and relaxation. This natural cooling effect makes mint a soothing option for enhancing overall well-being and fostering a sense of tranquility in both body and mind. Halfway through our list at number 5, mint can help alleviate common cold symptoms. Its strong aroma can clear up congestion and make breathing easier. So when you're feeling under the weather, consider adding some mint into your tea or hot water. At number 4, it's no secret that mint can mask bad breath. Its strong, pleasant smell can override less pleasant odors, providing a natural solution to an age-old problem. Coming in at number 3, mint can improve your skin health. It's packed with antioxidants, which can help your skin stay healthy and glowing. Just shy of the top spot at number 2, mint can relieve allergies. It's been found to inhibit the release of certain chemicals, which can aggravate severe allergies. And the number 1 reason to add mint to your diet is for improved oral health. Mint has been found to be a powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, making it great for maintaining a healthy mouth. There you have it, the top 10 reasons why you should add mint to your diet. From aiding digestion to boosting your immune system, mint is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's simple to include this robust herb in your meals, whether it's sprinkled on a salad, blended into a smoothie, or infused in your tea. So, the next time you see this humble herb, remember the mighty benefits it holds and don't hesitate to add some minty freshness to your diet. Like and subscribe for more nutritional news.